Hey guys, it's Emily, and I gotta turn it on. Okay, my package just came. Sorry about that, guys. And my package just came, and I ordered the packet, so I'm gonna open it up in front of you guys. I know it's kind of slimy.
Okay, if you won't leave my sister alone, we're throwing down. Well, hello to you too. Here are the ground rules. No kicking, scratching, biting, or hair pulling. No hitting in the face, the groin, the arms, legs, or chest.
So basically I can tap your elbow.
No, not on the funny bone. Now bring it on, Goldilocks.
I'm not going to fight you, Will.
Okay, I give. Just think of her.
Stand up. Now why are you so against me and Willa going out?
Because she's my sister.
So?
So you're my best friend.
So?
Look, when my friends date the women in my family, our friendships always go south.
Well, how many of your friends have dated your sister?
Well, none. But my stepdad Steve and I were tight when he was my swim coach. Then one day he came over to play Marco Polo in the pool and ended up with my mom in the hot tub.
Alright, so I'm so excited.
I would never do anything to jeopardize our
Here's
friendship.
the
And I
bill.
certainly would never do anything to hurt your sister. You know me.
You're right. I guess I was being silly. After all, Will's only going to be here for a few days, and it took you 6 months
Shipping
to
was
work up
actually more than I
enough
thought.
to kiss Bailey.
So,
Well, excuse me for being
oh,
a
that's
gentleman.
heavy. Here it is. Here's the first one. This is my dad's.
So then the project
That one I'll
is
give
set
it to
the
my dad.
electron. Of
And
course
then
I am. I'm positive.
here's mine.
Sorry. Woody says I have a goofy laugh.
Woody called you goofy? The man's 17 and wears footy pajamas.
I made those.
Okay.
I love that.
Alright. Here it is, the packet. I am so excited.
Since this is the first time we're eating together, I probably should tell you that I have a few little idiosyncrasies.
Like what?
Well, it's just,
Here it
I
is,
separate
the
my food by
orange.
color and then divide my plate into quadrants and chew each bite 57 times. It's nothing.
Orange polka dot.
It's okay.
I like it.
Of course, I don't mind.
I'm glad, Willa, because I really like you.
Kind of. It's actually really heavier than I thought it would be.
Me too. I'm so glad you said that.
So let's just agree to be ourselves. No holding back. Let's just let it all out.
Okay.
And here's the tag. It says packet freeze and go up to 10 hours. Freeze, packet, and go. Alright, so I'm gonna unfold it. Here it is on the inside. Wow, that's so cool.
Well, I'm glad we cleared the
That's
air.
easy. Fold right back up.
And all of the tables.
There's my packet. Now, look at my dad.
My clothes?
I hope.
You did. You told me I should take your advice and show Cody a whole new look. Clothes aren't enough. You should get plastic surgery. Wow,
And here's my dad's,
you're
the
a lot
blue
less
one.
supportive now than you were before. I was supportive? Okay, I need to give myself a stern talking to. Hey, that's all my jewelry. You put it in your pocket, remember? I did? How dare I do that? Hey, Zach.
Well,
you look very happy-passy in the suit.
It's kind of dumb.
Thank you. So, where's everybody? Well, you said you were throwing a party.
I am. For me. And you.
What you doing?
I didn't get my 30-day me.
Just me
A perfect
Yeah, we've known each other for
and
6 years. You've
is
never
it
been
down?
before.
To download. Oh, I get it. I have to download the thing.
Well, people can change.
So it didn't come with the Mommy Perfect Basics meal planner.
What is going on here? Did Maya put you up to this? This is one of those weird girlfriend tests, isn't it?
Perhaps, sweet sheep, the only thing I want to test is your lips.
So that you have to download the Mommy Perfect Meal Planner. So those are my 2 new lunch boxes for school.
You are so busted, sister.
I'm now gonna go put them in the freezer.
What's the matter? You think you've never seen a twin before?
So those are my 2 new packages.
You to do my dirty work.
Bye.
You know, my friends steal my jewels and be nice.